What's going on, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. As y'all can see, MayRose ain't in the garage. Cause she out here in the driveway, man. What's up? Go ahead, man. And I don't know why these cars don't like to run in the cold after these swaps. I don't understand. They'll run in the cold while they in the motor cars. Look. They do not like to run in the cold. I don't understand. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm finna drive the jump to work today, man. Battery dead. So, I'll hit y'all in a minute, man. This battery is striking red, and boy, this don't make no sense. I just changed the battery. But yeah, I'm finna drive to work, dog. That baby parked up here at work, man. I knew I messed up when I did this. I knew I did. Man, my car. I know it ain't that dusty. It ain't that dusty. It's dusty though. Damn gravel lot. Yo. Yeah, man. I don't know what's up with my camera, man. It's like it ain't focusing. Where is it focusing? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, man. Up here at the job, man. Finna get ready to take Bay on back to the house, man. Bay so dusty. Bay so dusty. I got her up here in these rocks, man. Dust is all get up. It's all good, though. It's the last drive of the year, man. So, decided I'd bring her up here, man. Gonna drive one more last good time. Now I'm finna take her to the house. Probably end up taking my wheels off. Not today though, but I'm probably end up taking the wheels off, I guess, here soon. And get ready for some upgrades, man. Get ready for some upgrades. Cause it's upgrade season. Season, so yeah. But anyway, better get on this road, man. I'll hit y'all when I get to the house. Yo, so man, we at the crib. Everything cool, man. They drove like a champ, like she always do, other than this transmission issue. So, yeah, man. So this right here is gonna be one of them videos, man. It's like, you know, farewell to Bay for a minute. Well, I'll see her. Well, y'all gonna still see her, but you know, it's time to address all the problems, man. You know, everything. Upgrades, this transmission issue, which I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now. This 4L60 about to go, finna go with a 4L80. Motor, engine, I still ain't decided what I'm gonna do with that yet, but just know I'm gonna be pushing a lot more power than what I'm pushing right now. The wheels not going nowhere. Like I said, I'm still, as far as I know, as far as on the car scene, I'm the only one with these wheels right here, so they're not going nowhere. I'm not selling them. I'd be stupid to sell my wheels and go and buy some wheels that everybody got. Like, that don't really make sense to me. I'm thinking about getting the car touched up as far as paint. I don't know yet. Interior, like I said, interior, sound. I think I'm gonna go ahead and, man, find me some little, subs or whatnot, and go ahead and get that going. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Man, please stay tuned, man. It's about to be upgrades after upgrades after upgrades, man. First of the year, we're trying to get ready for Connecting Never Competing car show. My dog Person, man. 5/15/22. We getting ready for that. And right after that, man, we hitting Holly Springs, man. Motorsports. Man, we back on the track, man. So I'm trying to have everything done before then. I don't want to miss it. So I'm trying to get myself together, man. So man, y'all, please, if man, it ain't gonna cost y'all nothing, man. If it ain't too much trouble, man, please, man, y'all share these videos, comment, like, subscribe, man. Just share, you know what I'm saying? Just share, man. Tell somebody about it, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? B-Lo Nation out here, man. He doing his thing with this car. Y'all seen where this car came from, man. Where it's going, the possibilities are endless, man. So yeah, man. Y'all know I got the merch going on. You know what I'm saying? Got the merch going on. I put the link, well, the link is in the description, but I put the site right here. And yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Got it, man. Hey, man, y'all see this interior though, man. If I go the direction I'm going with the interior, man, when y'all see that, boy, y'all gonna be like, oh my God. I got some ideas for my wheels. I have some ideas for my wheels, man. But I ain't gonna say nothing, because I ain't talked to Rucci yet. I gotta talk to Rucci personally about this, though. I can't go through nobody. I gotta talk to these folks personally. So, yeah, man. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm a little crooked in here, too, but it's okay. Try to do that, man. Just try to get everything going, man. Man, 2022, man, it's gonna be big for me, man. I can already tell. It's gonna be big for us, man. It's finna be big for the nation, man. I can already tell, dog. Cause it's been so much stuff. It's been so much stuff, man, that's been going my way lately. You know what I'm saying? Like for the past, man, 4-5 months, man. Stuff just been going for me, man. So good. It's been going in my favor, man. Everything been going in my favor. Everything that I've said I was finna do, I've done it. So, man, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, I'm manifesting everything. I'm speaking everything into existence, man. So, man, 2022, man, the nation is gonna be something serious, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. So, man, please, man, hey, man, first and foremost, man, I just want to thank each and every one of y'all, man. I'm talking about each and every one of y'all. I'm put this in my face when I say that. Man, I want to thank each and every one of y'all, man, for even being here, being down with the, man, campaign, man. You know what I'm saying? Because without y'all, man, none of this right here would have been possible. You know what I'm saying? I would have just been B-Lo riding around in the car, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, none of this right here would have been possible, man, for me to have a whole nation of people, man, that actually want to see me. You know what I'm saying? They want to see this car. So, man, I thank y'all for that, man. All the support, man, that y'all been giving me, man. I really, really, really appreciate that, man, from the bottom of my heart. Me and my family, man, we really appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Like, we really do. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all done opened a lot of doors for me, man. You know what I'm saying? That otherwise wouldn't have been open. You know? So, like I said, man, I appreciate that. I'm just glad. I'm glad that I'm able to give y'all what I'm giving, man. I'm glad that y'all are receiving it, man. I'm glad that we are all a part of this thing together, man. And I really appreciate that. But yeah, man, like I said, y'all jump down in the comments, man. Y'all leave a comment, man. Follow the Instagrams, man. Follow the subscribe to the YouTube if you haven't already. Man, it's about man, I'm telling you, man, it's shit. Hey, man, y'all think I'm playing, man. It's really about to be an epic situation, man. For real. Y'all gonna see it firsthand, man. So with that being said, man, it's your boy, man. It's your dog. B-Lo Nation, man. And MayRose, man. And we up out of here, man. Can't wait to share these upgrades with y'all, man. All right. See, catch y'all in the next one.